Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another exciting video. So today I'm gonna share you this beautiful cut crease double winged eye makeup look, which you can create for any creative look or any shoot purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into the video, guys. So firstly, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. You're gonna get all the product details in the description, so please check it out, the description box. So firstly, I'm gonna clean my eyebrows, shape my eyebrows, then conceal my eyelid for the eye makeup look. So I'm gonna using a flat brush to conceal my eyelid, then I'm gonna blend it out with a concealer brush. So after that, I'm gonna use Delanci Mysterious Queen palette, and I'm gonna use this shades to create this eye look. So let's get ready. So I'm gonna first I take the dark brown shade and with a small angular brush and create the shape I want to create for this eye look. So I'm gonna outline my eyes and create a wing. Then I take a small brush, then I just fill in the outer corner with the same dark brown shade. Then I'm taking a small blending brush and taking a light brown shade and blend it out in the middle of my eyelid and beautifully blend. Then I take a flat brush and taking the white base for my inner corner and I apply it and blend it a little bit. Then I'm gonna apply the bronzy shimmer for in my middle of the eyelid and then blend it with my finger. Then I'm gonna use this Faces Canada liquid liner. Then I create a wing liner. Then I'm gonna, for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use NY Bake white kajal. Then I applied all the shadows I applied on my eyes, and then I'm just blending out and I do it forward motion, and then applying a shimmer shade on my inner corner and brow bow for the highlight purpose. And then I'm going to use Delanci Press Glitter palette, and I'm taking this brown shade and press it in the middle of the eyes, and then I'm going to use a mascara and apply it 2 or 3 coat, then using a false lashes. And in this eye makeup we have to use the false lashes, without it's not looking great, and applying it. And now it's gonna be the lipstick part, and if you want a lipstick tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And here's my final look, and let me know if you like the video. Please hit the like button if you're new in my channel. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on my social medias. आपको description में link मिल जाएगा. So for that, all for today. I catch you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye.